Imagine waking up in the middle of the night, your leg muscles tightening like a vice. The pain so sharp it almost makes you cry out. Many seniors know this feeling all too well. Sudden, painful leg cramps that interrupt rest and make daily movement harder. But what if the secret to preventing these cramps wasn't in a pill bottle, but in the food on your plate? Today, we'll uncover the top 3 superfoods that keep your legs strong, your muscles relaxed, and cramps far away. By the end of this video, you'll have practical nutrition tips that could change your daily comfort and mobility. Before we dive into the list, think about this. As we age, our muscles don't recover as easily, our circulation slows, and deficiencies sneak in quietly. Leg cramps are more than just painful. They're often a warning sign that our muscles are missing vital nutrients. And the good news? With the right foods, you can nourish your body in a way that prevents cramps naturally without relying on medications. So let's explore 3 everyday foods that can make all the difference. 1. Eggs, the muscle repair powerhouse. Let's start with a breakfast classic. Eggs. Picture this. Every bite of an egg is like sending tiny repair crews into your muscles. Eggs are a complete protein source, carrying all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to rebuild and maintain muscle fibers. This is critical because one of the biggest causes of cramps in seniors is muscle fatigue from age-related muscle loss, also known as sarcopenia. Protein benefits. 1 large egg gives you 6 grams of high-quality protein, helping reduce fatigue and improve muscle contraction. This means fewer misfires and less cramping. Vitamin D support. Eggs also carry vitamin D, which works hand in hand with calcium. Without enough vitamin D, calcium can't get absorbed properly, and your muscles struggle to contract smoothly. Many seniors don't spend enough time outdoors to get sunlight-driven vitamin D, so eggs help fill the gap. Nerve protection. Another hidden gem in eggs is vitamin B12. This vitamin supports healthy nerve communication. Without it, nerve signals misfire, often leading to spasms, tingling, and cramps. Now, you might wonder, how many eggs should seniors eat? Research shows that 6 to 7 eggs per week is safe for most people. For those worried about cholesterol, egg whites are a great option, or you can balance whole eggs with lots of vegetables. Think of it this way. Adding eggs to your breakfast isn't just tradition, it's an insurance policy for stronger, calmer muscles. 2. Bananas, nature's potassium shield. Next, meet the leg cramps' natural enemy, the banana. If you've ever felt your muscles tighten after exercise or on a hot day, it's often because your body is low in potassium. Potassium is an electrolyte that keeps the communication lines open between your nerves and muscles. Without it, your muscles contract too easily, and that's when cramps hit. A single banana contains about 420 milligrams of potassium, nearly 12% of your daily need. But bananas offer more than potassium. Magnesium boost. Each banana gives you magnesium, which calms overactive muscles and helps regulate calcium and potassium balance. Nighttime relief. Eating a banana 1 to 2 hours before bed can help relax muscles and reduce nighttime cramps. Imagine going to sleep and actually staying asleep without jolting awake in pain. Vitamin B6 for nerves. Bananas also deliver vitamin B6, which supports nerve function and reduces inflammation. Seniors with low B6 often struggle with more frequent cramps, fatigue, and even stiffness. So how many bananas are enough? Usually 1 banana per day keeps electrolytes balanced. For those with frequent cramps, 2 bananas may help, but seniors with diabetes should pair bananas with fiber-rich foods like oats or nuts to avoid sugar spikes. Think of a banana as your body's daily recharge. Simple, portable, and powerful against cramps. 3. Nuts and seeds, tiny packages of big relief. Finally, let's talk about nuts and seeds, small, but packed with cramp-fighting power. Why are they so effective? Because they carry a winning combo: magnesium, potassium, protein, and healthy fats. Each of these nutrients plays a role in keeping muscles relaxed, improving circulation, and repairing muscle tissue. Here are some standout choices. Pumpkin seeds. 1 ounce gives 168 milligrams of magnesium. That's nearly half your daily need. Almonds, a rich source of both magnesium and potassium. Pistachios, one of the best nuts for potassium, with 290 milligrams per ounce. Walnuts and flax seeds, packed with omega-3s that reduce inflammation and improve blood flow. For seniors who often deal with cramps after walking or exercising, eating a handful of nuts or sprinkling seeds into salads, smoothies, or oatmeal can make a big difference. Recommended intake: just a small handful per day, about 20 almonds or 2 tablespoons of seeds. That's enough to restore electrolytes without overloading on calories. A key tip: always go for unsalted, raw, or dry roasted nuts. Salted and processed nuts can actually contribute to dehydration, which increases cramp risk. Think of nuts and seeds as your body's natural defense system, repairing, protecting, and fueling your muscles, all in a crunchy, delicious package. Extra tips for cramp-free legs. While these 3 foods are stars, their power grows when paired with healthy daily habits. Stay hydrated. Drink 6 to 8 glasses of water a day. Dehydration is a sneaky cause of cramps. Pair foods together. Try scrambled eggs with spinach, a banana smoothie with yogurt, or a nut and seed mix as a snack. Stay active. Gentle stretching and light walking keep circulation flowing. So, the next time you feel that sudden stab of a leg cramp, remember, relief could be as close as your kitchen. Eggs, bananas, and nuts/seeds aren't just everyday foods. They're natural tools to keep your muscles strong, nerves healthy, and nights peaceful. We believe small daily choices can transform your long-term health. So why not start with what's on your plate? Because when you give your body the right fuel, you're not just preventing pain. You're investing in freedom, strength, and a healthier tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Health Nexus. Stay strong, stay nourished, and I'll see you in the next video.